run here, and we're doing a double black. It's only fitting. It's only fitting. Oh my. I have an entire powder bowl all to myself. What the hell? Oh my word. This is quite literally my first run of the day too. My legs are not warmed up. What does this say? Oh, okay. Fun. Well, I guess the east isn't the only place with rocks. Oh, look at that. Reminds me of the hanging valley over at Snowmass. The powder is fucking copious. The oxygen is definitely fucking thin up here, Jesus. Formidable. Let's see how formidable it is. Woo! Oh my word! Holy shit! This is some weird ass powder. It's like when you try to turn in it, it forces your skis into a pizza slice. So you can't be too aggressive with your turns. It's unlike anything I've ever experienced. First run ever at Copper Mountain, and 7 fresh inches of powder overnight. We are certified chillin'. Well, I found where all the fucking wind is. Jesus. I wasn't planning on coming up to this part of the mountain until tomorrow, when it's supposed to be clear and sunny and mild winds. Today it's still like 20-mile-an-hour winds up here, and it really fucking shows. Honestly, not that bad. Oh, this though, powder up to the knees. This is what I expected from the west. Oh, holy shit. Certainly something. My breath is gone. You good? Yeah, I'm good. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, feels like I never left Vermont. This is interesting. This is the first chairlift I've ever been on where there's no handlebar. Like, there's joints for the handlebars, but there's just no handlebars. What the hell? powder. Oh my god. Oh, it's like I'm back in Vermont. No matter how far west I go, there's still exposed rocks ruining my skis. That's a sick view. Ooh, geez. Disaster run. I thought it was a mogul, it was just fat powder. So I didn't bend my knee properly. Oh, fuck. Ah, oh. That was my fault. I thought, hey, that looks like a pretty cool step up. Yeah, I stepped up, made the jump, and stepped out of my skis.